So welcome to KCM Vlogs. I'm Krishna Chaitanya Mandela. Today we have a strong and robust electric scooter with us, the Evtric Group's Evtric Connect electric scooter. This is meant to be for agricultural purposes and for last mile connectivity. So how is this short and strong electric scooter? Whether you can take it or not, let's have a complete test ride review in this video. So this is Evtric Group's Evtric Connect electric scooter. This is a heavy loader electric scooter, which means you can carry loads of up to 250 kgs of load supported by this electric scooter. It is a robust scooter, you can tell. Most likely a competitor for TVS Excel. Now let us talk about the build quality of this electric scooter first. Initially, if you look at this electric scooter, it is more like completely made with metal, like completely iron made electric scooter. Almost like 80% of this electric scooter is made with metal. Initial badging is made with fiber plastic, and more the design is similar to Okinawa dual electric scooter. So let's start with each and every part of the scooter now. So if you look at the top section of the scooter, you can have the side lamp indicators, the orange color light indicators, and if you slowly go down, you can see the iron basket here for carrying any kind of luggage, and the main headlamp is under this basket. So this is a main headlamp. The lighting, we have shooted that video separately, you can have a look. And now this, under that you can have a telescopic suspension. I personally like the telescopic suspension. It's more like a petrol vehicle suspension. That much of hydraulic suspension, that feel is pretty good. Whereas down part you can see the mud guard. So this is a 10-inch tubeless tires, and it comes with disc braking at the front side. Now coming to the side part of this electric scooter, you have a wide footboard space availability. I think ample amounts of space to carry kind of huge bags like milk cans you can carry, or even for farmers they can carry different kind of vegetables. That baggage is heavy, kind like 50 to 100 kgs of load. That kind of load you can carry on this footboard space. And personally, what I like about this electric scooter is the ground clearance. 195 millimeters of ground clearance. That is a huge amount of ground clearance is providing with this electric scooter, and completely it is made with metal element. That down part body you can see that guarding, and for the rider there is this foot pegs. The support is the foot pegs. They need to keep their legs on the foot pegs from the left and right side foot pegs, whereas or else they can use the footboard space as well for keeping their legs. And now this is a side stand. There is a side stand sensor is also available. If the side stand is on, the scooter will not move. And there is a center stand also available here. Now coming to the rear part of the scooter, it comes with dual spring suspension at the rear side, and whereas the mud guard is also there at the rear side, and the tire size is again 10-inch tubeless tires. Whereas the main power of this electric scooter comes with this BLDC hub motor. The motor power is 1.2 kilowatt BLDC hub motor. With that, the company claimed to have 200 to 250 kgs of load. And the top speed of this electric scooter is 55 km per hour. That's some good amount of power for a load carrying scooter. And dual side you can see the suspension, and the rear side also you will get disc brake. You can see here is a disc brake at the rear side. Now coming to the rear side of the Connect electric scooter, it looks like this. You can see halogen lights, and again a carrier here. You don't get a pillion seat because it is a load electric scooter, right? Most probably for farmers and for last mile connectivity. In that purpose, they have given complete metal at the rear side, so that you can fix any kind of luggage and carry that. Coming close to that, you have a seat here. The seat is very wide, most like a TVS Excel kind of feel, and the cushion is pretty fine. Here is a cushion, but you don't get a seat suspension. You only get a rear tire suspension at the rear side. That is one thing you need to be noted. So this is the battery pack. Under the footboard space you have a battery pack. This is a fixed battery pack. Actually, Evtric's Connect electric scooter comes with a fixed removable battery pack, but Evtric Group is offering a fixed battery pack because they are providing DC fast charging, where in 30 to 40 minutes 80% can be charged. This is the charger you get along with this scooter. It is a 58 volt 10 amps charger. With this, the lithium-ion battery pack can be charged in 4 hours. The lithium-ion battery capacity is offering in different variants. The voltage like 35Ah, 40Ah and 50Ah battery packs they are offering. So the range is up to 80 kilometers to 120 kilometers of range they are offering. Throttle, the left side, this is the switches and all. Let's have a look. The main headlamp, the high beam, low beam switch, the side lamp indicators, and the horn. Pretty sound. And you slowly go down to the down part, you can see some boot space, like you can keep a bottle here and USB connector for charging, and this is a hook for keep any of your luggage, and this is the key, and the remote key options also I will discuss it in a moment. On the right side you have the direct mode and the reverse mode. How is the direct mode and the reverse mode I will show you. High beam and low beam switch. Coming to the dashboard, actually the time right now it is 12 PM in the afternoon, so that visibility is not that much good. We will check that visibility of dashlight at the night time also, you can have a look. So this is the night visibility and the dashboard light quality of Evtric's Connect electric scooter. You can see how crystal clear the indicator, the LED dashboard is, and I will show you the lighting also, normal lighting. This is with low beam. Now I will just increase the lighting. So this is the high beam light now. So once I off, it completely dull, but I just on it. This is the high beam medium light. This is full beam. So you will get up to almost like 200-300 meters of visibility you will get. If you off, completely it will be dim, nothing. So I will show you how long the visibility will goes. I came around 20 feet. Almost I came up to 40 feet now. I reach up to 50 feet. And still the visibility is pretty good. That's what the huge lighting from the Evtric Connect. So this is the lighting percentage, like you can see the charging percentage here, odometer and the speed. Because this only comes with one mode, right? Completely one throttle feel, so you don't get any kind of modes. You move with that, you will get the top speed. I'm going to show the remote key features of this electric scooter. There are pretty much feature. Remote lock option is also there. First we have to lock the scooter. So down button is unlock button, remote power button and lock button. You can remotely on this by double pressing the power button. The scooter is on now. And the second thing, it's about anti-theft alarm. To use that, first press unlock button, then press the lock button. If someone try to on the scooter, it produces an alarm sound. So those are the smart features of this electric scooter. Even we will check this how is the load capacity, that we will do in a separate video also. Let's go for a test ride and check the performance. So let's test ride this Evtric's Connect electric scooter. So before we go for a test ride, I will just show you how to on the scooter. Here is the key, just turn it on and you are good to go. You can see the dashboard visibility. There is no kind of parking mode and all. You give the throttle, the electric scooter will move forward. And one more thing I would like to show here, this electric scooter also comes with reverse mode option. Just press this button to the R, it will move reverse. So now let's go for a test ride on this Evtric Group Evtric Connect electric scooter. Firstly, I will start with the handling of this electric scooter. How is the handling? I think it's one of the pretty easy to handle electric scooter. Even the weight is very lightweight. You don't feel much weight about this electric scooter, but it is a heavy one. This electric scooter meant for taking loads, like mostly for milk people and farmers, and even for last mile connectivity also, people who are going to do deliveries also, this is going to be the perfect electric scooter. And the handle leveling is pretty easy, and even for any height people also, they can easily ride this electric scooter. Now the second thing, it's about the speed. Whenever you are going for delivery, speed is also important factor. So the top speed of this electric scooter is 55 km/h. So I will show you the pickup levels of it and go for a speed test now. So you can see that you can hit a top speed of 55 km/h, So even the pickup levels are pretty good. And most importantly, what I like about this electric scooter is the steady pickup. Usually electric vehicles, there is an assumption that it will give jerks while do throttling, but this electric scooter is steady in pickup, so the calibration is good. And the next thing, let us discuss about the range of this electric scooter. This electric scooter comes in three variants: one with 80 kilometers, 100 kilometers, and 120 kilometer range variant. So if you go with the top speed of up to 30 kph, then you will definitely achieve that range what they are offering. But the moment you put more weight on this electric scooter, slowly the range will affect. And the next thing, it's about the suspension feel. I think one of the best suspension I have seen recently on electric scooter, especially the front hydraulic suspension, is best in the segment. As of the loader segment, I can say, even I tested on the pothole road condition, the front hydraulic suspension is pretty good. It's like riding a Hero Splendor electric scooter. Whereas the rear suspension, I think they should provide a seat suspension as well. They have provided only the rear dual spring suspension. I think maybe when I start riding for a long time, maybe I can feel the rear suspension, but compared to front suspension, the rear suspension can be like 20% less, I guess. So moreover, if you get tuned into that, maybe I can tell you a little better about it. But I think like if they can provide a seat suspension also, it will be more beneficial for the rider. Now I will show you the braking system. This electric scooter comes with front and rear disc brakes and combi braking system. I will show you. So you can tell the braking system is pretty sharp. I will show you the turning radius. So it's just very easy to turn also. No kind of obstructions can be seen. And pretty much one thing, the horn is very loud. So overall, Connect electric scooter will not disappoint you in terms of load. It is pretty much strong and it can carry load also. I will show the load carrying video as well. So we are going to test ride this Connect electric scooter with load. The load of these bags is almost like 90 to 100 kgs of load itself, and my weight is 65 kgs. So overall we are going to check up to 160 kgs of load, and how is the performance and acceleration and everything. We are going to check it now. Definitely it feels somewhat heavy now once we kept the load. Let's take a sharp turn there. How is the sharp turn during the load also. So it is able to handle the load up to 160 kgs. So as of now, it's taking slight time taking while during acceleration, because it's a heavy weight, right? It's almost like riding with another passenger at the rear side. But the speed also the similar speed. It taking some time, but so what I observe, even with load, you feel better comfort as the load gives more action on the suspension. And surprising part is the side stand is able to bear that much of weight also. You can see the side stand is on. So that's the complete tested review about Jayashree Group Evtric Connect electric scooter. It is rough and tough electric scooter, mostly suitable for loading purposes, and we have tested with load also. Now coming to the pricing of this electric scooter, the pricing of this electric scooter starts with 1,10,000 rupees, and based on the battery pack variant, 80 km range variant, 100 km range variant, and 120 km range variant. So the 120 km range variant price goes up to 1,25,000 rupees. And Jayashree Group is also offering 3 years of warranty on the battery pack. People who purchase this electric scooter only from Jayashree Group showrooms will get a fast charging benefit also, like 30 to 40 minutes they can charge this electric scooter up to 80%. Interested users who want to pre-book this electric scooter, we will provide the contact link in the description below. If you are an electric vehicle owner willing to share your ownership review with us, please WhatsApp your details, number shown on the screen, or else fill the form link in the description. For electric vehicle content, please subscribe to EV Bro. For automobile videos, please subscribe to MBS Auto.